all yarns contain twist to hold the fibers together. The frictional forces created by the twist are the means by which all yarns are held together. Most single yarns will be produced with Z-twist. That means the helix angle is the Z direction. Sometimes S yarns will be produced for special technical reasons. An S-twist yarn's helix angle is in the S direction. Because of its mechanical design, yarns produced on the OE system will always be Z-twist yarns. Both ring and air jet spinning systems can be set up to produce S-twist when it's required. The amount of twist needed in a yarn is determined by both the fibers being used to create the yarn and the desired properties of the final yarn. Longer fibers require less twist to create a strong yarn, and shorter fibers need more twist to hold them together. For the same fiber output, more twist will make a yarn stronger, more resistant to bending and abrasion, livelier, and have a smaller cross-section, among other properties which can be affected. A fabric made with yarn that has higher twist may be prone to skewing or torquing, have less drape, have a harsher hand, and be more visually open, among other properties which may be affected. Controlling the amount of twist in a yarn is a careful balance of the properties needed. Twist multiple, or TM, is a common way of designating how much twist a yarn contains. TM is a relationship between yarn number, or count, and the turns per inch in the yarn. Using number English or cotton count, that relationship is represented as follows. Where TM is twist multiple, TPI is turns per inch, and NE is number English or cotton count. Twist level may also be expressed in other ways, such as turns per meter. When communications between parties involve twist, it's important to know the terms and units being used.